Welcome everybody, NFTparent here. I just really want to go over some of the stuff that's been going on with the marketplace, with the big drop, slight comeback today. As I'm recording this, this comes out the next day, so we'll see what's happening when you watch this. But I just want to kind of talk about it a little bit. I really don't have anything scripted. I haven't really went over much. Just been thinking of stuff in my head and seeing stuff going on. I haven't had a video out for a week, for a decent amount of time, 6 days or so. I had a lot of family stuff and Mother's Day and been doing stuff outside. It's getting a little nicer, but I will get back to at least 2 videos a week. But just wanted to talk about, there's been a big drop in the space, obviously. Most everybody knows. It's no news to you, but I've been through a lot of these, being older than probably many of you. I'm in my mid 40s, so I know a lot of people in this space are in their 20s, early 30s, but I mean, I feel like we're going to see this a lot. It's a shame that like Bitcoin is kind of still tied with the stock market, or the S&P, it seems to be. So when the stock market drops, which if you keep up with that, it's been dropping a lot. Seems like the crypto does the same thing. When crypto goes way down, it seems like the NFTs kind of follow, at least for a little while, then stuff evens out. But I've been through many recessions, stuff like that. This is common. I know in the NFT space, there is no history really to go by much. We haven't only been going strong for a year or so. So I know it's not the same as stocks, and I'm not saying it's going to act just like stocks, but you have to think anything that goes up so fast. I mean, I know I'm not saying everybody's making money, but you had, mutant apes like I had. I mean, they were trading over $120,000. Now they're at, 53 or so, which is up from the 42 they were earlier today when I'm recording this. You see other sides up, Azuki's up, but that's after a big drop. We'll talk about that soon. So you got a lot of them up today as I'm recording this, but you've been down for 6-7 days. Ever since that other side drop, it seemed like everything started more following the stock market after that. But one thing I just want to say is, everybody's in different situations. None of this is ever financial advice, entertainment purposes only. These are just my opinion, but obviously everybody's in different financial situations. I've always said, please don't buy anything in this space that you can't afford to lose, because there's no guarantee it's going to be worth anything in the end. I mean, there are a lot of these don't have like companies behind them like stocks do, and even stocks can't guarantee anything, as a lot of you know. But I see a lot of people dissing other people online for selling, for getting mad. I mean, this is why I say buy what you like and find communities you like. If you like the art, you still have it. This stuff can definitely come back. It could come back even stronger. But if you buy the so-called blue chip stuff, you have a better chance of some of the more popular, well-followed. But if you like the community and you like the people, stick with them. Enjoy the community, get together, do the NFT stuff, and just try to weather the storm if you can afford it. But if you can't, it's okay to sell. There's some stuff that I may sell, even being debt now that it's came up a little bit. There's a few things I'm looking to sell because I have goals with money that I want to accomplish in my life. So don't ever make fun of people for selling. Everybody's in different situations. Some people have never been through this and freak out. Some people really can't afford to lose that much, so they have to get whatever they can out because they're afraid it'll go down more, which it definitely can. So I totally understand. You get out when you need to get out, or you hodl if you can, but don't let anybody else persuade you, because everybody's in different situations. And if you need the money for something now, or there's something coming up, or you hit a goal and you just were hanging in there to maybe try to make some more, like I was off a few of them, if the goal's still hit or it came back up now and it's to where you wanted it, get out and use that money for what you want, what makes you happy, and what's best for you. So don't worry about the pressure of people saying, I can't believe you're not diamond handing it, you're not hodling it. If you can't afford to do it, don't do it. And if it's something that you don't believe in anymore, or something has came out about the community that you don't like, or the project, or you don't trust it, then get out too. Speaking of that, we have Azuki. So it says, Azuki sales skyrocket as floor drops nearly 45%. So yesterday, it came out that the founder kind of doxed himself after supposedly being forced. I don't know any of this information to be true. I'm just saying what I've read, that he had been involved in a few NFT projects that were labeled as rug pulls by the crypto community. It says following the floor price of Azuki's dropped roughly 19 ETH to as low as 10.5, and I think they're just under that now as I'm talking to you. I've seen them as low as 9, I believe. So it was right up there, almost tracking mutant apes. Like, it was already up to mutant ape territory. It was even above it some, and then it dropped a lot. I do not know if it'll come back or not. I mean, if you like the community, if you believe in the project, that's totally up to you. The art is cool. I do like the art. but I don't know what's going to go on with them finding that out about the founder, but that's up to you. Like I said, this is one of those where if you think it could just all be bad, or you don't believe in what was being done to start with, then get out, and that's okay. But if you think somebody else will take it over, or this guy will end up being okay and everything will work out, then that's your choice too. But just make the choices that are best for you in this space. There's going to be a lot of ups and downs, just like the stock market. There's going to be, it's going to fall 50% in 2 days, and it's going to go up 70% in 1 day sometimes. I mean, that's just how crypto markets, anybody that's been in it for a while, followed Bitcoin for years, Ethereum, Litecoin, this is what happens. You've got Coinbase revenue drops 27% from a year ago, stock slides. So this also talks about, how Coinbase reported its first quarter earnings fell 19% before rebounding. The stock was down about 14% after hours. This was from yesterday. They lost some per share, but it is a newer company. And, we did just have, with what's going on, it's going to be Coinbase being public now. You're going to have ups and downs in that also. And I don't really have any specific projects I want to talk about today. I was just going to show some of the top NFTs, other side, the other deed, it seems to be coming back a little bit. Azuki's from the bottom that they fell, it's back up some. You've got Bored Apes up. Mutant Apes were doing well today. I was watching. Moonbirds are up. So, those blue chip ones are the ones you really believe in, that have great followings and people have had high prices. There's a good chance those will come back. But if you don't think they will, or you don't trust it, you do what's best for you. But the people that can't afford it and do want to, just hang in there. I'm trying to hang in there. It's tough for me sometimes, and I know that this is the time to buy stuff, is when it's low, if it's something you truly believe in. I do that with stocks. NFTs are newer, so it's a little harder because you can't go by history. But if it's something you want to buy, this might be a great time to pick it up. Again, not financial advice, but these are the times you save some money to the side for it to pick things up. So I don't really have anything else to talk about. I have some great projects lined up that are going to be coming in on my channel here very soon, and I want you to keep giving me info on Twitter at NFTparent for what you want to see. And if you have projects you want to see on here, please reach out to me. But do what's best for you. Let's hope this market does come flying back soon. It's going to be a rough ride. We've got wars, which is terrible, and I pray for everybody in Ukraine. We've got, inflation. We've got, gas prices crazy. Food's crazy. Everything's nuts. So I know stuff is very expensive. Houses are outrageous. So it's just a wild time right now. There's going to be a lot of ebbs and flows, a lot of ups and downs. Let's hang in there. I appreciate you watching. NFT Parent on all social medias. NFTparent.io is my website. Let me know what you're watching, what you want to see. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.